I'll be showing you a little bit about the BX403 monitor. The one I have today is an ozone monitor. So it comes in this case. Open that up and you'll find a warranty card. You'll also get your inspection report and your manual. We'll set that aside. Inside is going to be this cable. This is going to be used to charge your device. The device itself looks like this. Comes with an alligator clip on the back, the internal sample pump up top. Here is where you would put your charging cable to charge that up. To turn on the device, you will press and hold this power button here. The screen's going to say welcome, and it's going to give you a little bit of a loading screen. The draw gas pump is then going to engage, pulling some air samples from around the room or space that you are in. So we'll let that warm up. Also included is going to be this brick for your charging cable, as well as some connections and the tubing that will be connected if you choose to the sample pump up top. This way you're able to kind of monitor at a distance. You can kind of put the tube where it needs to go, where you indicate there being a leak. This is a great leak detection device. The sensor inside today is going to be ozone from 0 to 20 ppm. That's what we recommend for leak detection. So it looks like this guy is almost done warming up, and then I'll show you a little bit more about the features. So you'll still hear that pump kind of buzzing in the background. It's going to be reading the ozone levels. There's going to be a menu and a function option on here. Something cool about this one is going to be the graph feature. None of our other ozone monitors have this. So over a period of time, as you're monitoring, the data will be collected into this graph. Inside your manual is going to be a lot of different functions to kind of customize this monitor for you. But the design showcases like the main menu, all different icons on the front. It's going to be great for handheld monitoring, portability. This thing is super durable. It's not going to break when you drop it. So that's another great option. So to show you a little bit how it reacts to ozone, I have this bump tester with me today. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Okay, and then it's going to be making ozone. So I'm going to just place our sample pump in front of that, and hopefully this alarm goes off. So this is going to be telling us that there's a lot of ozone in the room right now. So the alarm is going to function. I'm going to go ahead and turn that bump off. So the 3 different alarm features that this device has is going to be the visual that you saw with the red flashing lights, as well as the audible, and it also vibrates. So there's 3 different features there. When you're done sampling for the day, you'll press and hold this power button again. It'll say shut down, and then you press OK, then it will shut your device down. So this is the BX403 handheld monitor.